Teacher Rida Online Tutor. Hello children. Are you ready for today's video? Let's start.
Yay!
Children, today we are going to practice reading 3-letter words of E sound. Shall we begin? E, D, ed. Repeat. E, D, ed, ed. B, E, D, bed. Repeat. B, E, D, bed. F, E, D, fed. Repeat. F, E, D, fed. L, E, D, led. Repeat. L, E, D, led. R, E, D, red. Repeat. R, E, D, red. W, E, D, wed. Repeat. W, E, D, wed. T, E, D, dead. Repeat. T, E, D, dead. Revision. Bed, fed, led. Red, wed, dead. Next. E, N, N. Repeat. E, N, N, N. D, E, N, den. Repeat. D, E, N, den. T, E, N, ten. Repeat. T, E, N, ten. B, E, N, ben. Repeat. B, E, N, ben. H, E, N, hen. Repeat. H, E, N, hen. M, E, N, men. Repeat. M, E, N, men. P, E, N, pen. Repeat. P, E, N, pen. Revision. Den, ten, ben. Hen, men, pen. Next, E T et. Repeat. E T et. Et. P E T pet. Repeat. P E T pet. G E T get. Repeat. G E T get. N E T net. Repeat. N E T net. M E T met. Repeat. M E T met. J E T jet. Repeat. J E T jet. W E T wet. Repeat. W E T wet. Revision. Pet, get, net. Met, jet, wet. Next. E G egg. Repeat. E G egg. Egg. L E G leg. Repeat. L E G leg. B E G beg. Repeat. B E G beg. K E G keg. Repeat. K E G keg. Revision. Leg, beg, keg. Now, let's do a quick revision of all the words that you have learned. Children, this time you have to repeat after me. Okay, let's start. Bed, fed, led, red, wed, dead. Your turn. Next. Den, ten, ben, hen, men, pen. Your turn. Next, pet, get, net, met, jet, wet. Your turn. Next, leg, beg, keg. Your turn. Well done, children.
Yay!
Remember to practice reading daily so that you can be a fluent reader. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.